Hey guys, today's the day. It is time for our annual McDonald's Boo Bucket Review Day. And we're gonna do something really fun today. We're gonna start off here at the McDonald's here at Walt Disney World. And then we're gonna take you guys to the park with us and have a little bit of fun at the park. But anyway, let's go in here, let's get going. Let's grab this Boo Bucket. So come on and join us. I absolutely love this McDonald's. I think it has the coolest look to it. And it's right over here by Disney's Animal Kingdom and right beside the All-Star Resort. So if you're staying at the All-Star Resorts, you literally have a McDonald's that's right here, very close to it. And you just walk right up in here, and they actually have the digital like touch screens in this one. And here's the inside of the McDonald's. It's really nice. Like I said, they have these where you can scan and do this. So we're just going to do it this way. All right, here we go. Here is the Happy Meals. Right here, we have the hamburger. This one, you just want to do the hamburger one?
Sure.
Great choice. Select toy. Here's the bottle of water. All right, and it's a little more expensive here. To note, I checked the app. It's a little more expensive here at this McDonald's, so keep that in mind. We are seated. We are waiting. We are number 29. And what color do you think we're going to get this year? I haven't seen what they even look like. Have you?
Either. Yeah, I've never seen them.
Okay, so it's going to be a mystery, but we'll see. And
Purple.
Purple. Okay, I'm going to call... What did we get? Blue last year, I think, is the first one we got.
I don't remember.
I'm going to call orange. Let's go with classic orange. See what happens.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. We have it. Are you ready? We were both wrong. It was red. This is different. This is looks like almost like a Frankenstein look here to this one this year. You can see that it's trying to capture my face instead of this, and then his little sad face there. But always on the inside, though, they always have like these additional pieces here too. Like this has like stickers on it, where you can like just dress the outside of it and stuff like that, which is really cool. And then it has like a seek and find thing on the back, which is cool. Then of course we have our little fries, and then our burger, and then we have apple slices here too. So we're not going to review the food because we all know what a McDonald's burger, fries, and also we got a bottle of water. So like I said, this one is a little more expensive. I looked on the app and you could actually get it down the road for like $5. So because you are here on the Disney property, it's going to cost a little bit more. But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. I like this one a lot. This goes in our collection and save them up for next year when we pull it out for Halloween decorations for next year. All right, I'm good with it. So that was done really quickly. Now we are going home with our little bucket. Actually, before we go home, we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios, update you guys on some construction that's going on out there. And also there's some Christmas merch out there too, I think. We're just gonna kind of have some fun, just shop around and look around, see what's changed. Okay, we have made it to Hollywood Studios. Now we are going to go in, check out this construction and some merchandise. Just have a little bit of fun this afternoon. I love the look of this park. It is always so much fun to be in, to have a good day, and to just chill. Okay, so we are going to walk down Hollywood Boulevard, and we are going to go towards what used to be Animation Courtyard. I've seen some photos online, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So let's go down here. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and the lines look, well, it looks pretty empty. And I'm telling you, I just can't eat that McDonald's food anymore. It just doesn't make me feel good at all. I mean, I know it's never been good for you, but ever since my weight loss over the last year, I just can't eat fast food. It just makes me feel gross. So even though it was a little Happy Meal, ugh. Okay, We've arrived. So here at the famous Chinese theater where Mickey's Runaway Railway is, we're gonna turn to our right here. And oh my gosh, this is so weird. The arch entranceway that said Hollywood Studios is gone. That once had MGM Hollywood Studios or MGM Studios is gone. Launch bay is being destroyed because it is changing. Wow. That is crazy. So the Star Wars launch bay sign is gone. The arches are gone. The Little Mermaid show, I guess you can still technically get to that. We'll show you how to do that in just a second. They have cranes back here. They have construction going on in this area, and that is just insane and crazy. While we're here, we're gonna have to check on the Muppets Courtyard, which is turning into Monstropolis. We do officially know that now. That's gonna be the name of the area. That's crazy. So let me show you what it's gonna look like over here with these two signs. So this poster here is the magic of Disney animation. So it's just gonna focus on the animation of Disney, which is cool because movies like Mulan were done here. It was all drawn here at Hollywood Studios, which is amazing. So they're kind of bringing that stuff back to it, which is great. We talked about this months ago, but here's this. Here's the official concept art of what it's gonna look like. Very similar, but different. Some trees planted, some benches, nice areas for you to sit, and then the Sorcerer Mickey hat for animation here, which is very similar to the way Walt Disney World Studios or Walt Disney Studios is in Burbank, California. So it's very similar, but different, and that's cool. We also have another picture over here. Here is an over-the-shoulder or aerial view of this area. You can see the Little Mermaid Theater, which is down here that we just talked about. All the benches, the nice seating areas, and of course the animation building and everything that's going to be. So it's going to be unique and different. This is premiering in 2026, so we're not gonna have to wait that long, thank God. Oh my gosh, that's Jiminy Cricket. I had heard that he was here. But there he goes. We're going to get a picture with him. All right.
Come on up.
Come on, man.
Hope you got to go that way, bud. Okay. You can come up now.
Jiminy Cricket, can I get a picture with you, buddy? Nice to meet you, sir. Let's get a pic. Babe, did you want to get a picture with Jiminy Cricket? She doesn't do characters. She's just, I'm the character guy. You would think it would be you, but it's me. So you haven't seen this yet, but behind you.
Well, I have, but not in person.
Not in person? Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
I know, it's weird.
Well, I'm glad.
Though.
Yeah, I did too. But I'm glad that the Sorcerer Mickey hat's coming back, at least. That's gonna be cool. Now we're gonna head over to the old Muppets Courtyard and check that out. See what's changed and going on over there. All right, we've made it over here now, and you can see slightly that the Muppets sign is covered up here. It's been covered up for a little while. And the Pizza Rizzo sign is gone. It's no longer up there. Well, wait a second, I take that back. Yeah, it's still up there, okay. For some reason, I thought it was gone, but it's still there, so I stand corrected. But anyway, over here, with this whole area, you can see the concept art of what it's gonna look like if you haven't seen it yet online.
I'm watching it. Always watching.
How many times do you think you've seen that movie?
Well, considering that my daughter at 2 years old literally watched it every night to go to bed, probably 1,000,000 times.
A million? Okay, I got you. But anyway, they have the concept art here. This is the first time Angie's seeing this. She has not been here since. But it is kind of cool. Just to think, now, are we going to get a Mike Wazowski meet and greet? because that would be cool. We have the Sully one here now, but we need a Wazowski one, don't you think? Anyway, I will try to find a photo and put it right here for you guys to see what Bio Reconstruct has taken the pictures from up above and what it looks like back here, because it looks like a hot mess right now. The fountain is gone, all that stuff, but it's going to be cool when they're done with it. Officially called Monstropolis now. So over here by Star Tours now, it's been a couple of weeks since I've been back, but we talked about how Darth Vader is gone from the launch bay. Vader comes out here now, and he will meet and greet with people out here. Back at the old place where they used to have the show here, but Vader meets here now, and this is actually a photo op here that they're doing now, which is really cool, with the AT-AT. Or do you say AT-AT? All right, we're back at the front of the park here. We're gonna go into a couple of the shops here, see if we find any new Christmas merch in here. We know that there was some. We've shown them in the previous videos, but let's see if we can find anything. Let's start with the 5 and 10. So there is no Christmas merchandise in this store yet. I'm sure there will be. I did see this. Look at this, salute to America. That is awesome. To all nations, but mostly America. Uh-oh. Is that a Stanley? It looks like a Stanley.
Very similar.
It's a Manly.
Yeah.
Manly cup. And then here's the mug down here for it too. And I do love this. Look at this one. That's awesome. But yeah, speaking of that, they are doing Soarin' Over America, which is happening next year, summer 2026, which is going to be really awesome. I cannot wait for that. And that's going to be at Epcot if you're not familiar with that. Okay, so nothing new in there. So let's hit Mickey's of Hollywood really quickly. Now let's see if there's anything over here. Okay, look at this. Brand new Loungefly for Christmas. This is the first time seeing of this. That is cool. It's kind of similar. Didn't you have one that was similar to that a couple of years ago?
Yeah, it's different but similar.
Okay, that's awesome though. It does have the pockets here on the sides. I like the silver look to it. And it's like almost looks like snow, you know, kind of ordeal.
Like wool.
Yeah, like wool. And then on the back, it's just plain Jane on the back. This one is $90. And a couple of Christmas shirts here. We have a Donald and Daisy, very similar to each other. Always on the nice list for Donald, and Daisy always on the naughty list. Also, 2 more on my naughty list. 2 more here. We have this one, Hollywood Studios Christmas. I like this one a lot, actually. And then the Stitch one, that one's cool too. So there's one over at Epcot. I don't think I've shown it on video yet, but that one's really awesome. I'm gonna have to pick that one up too, but these look great. And here is what it looks like, actual shirt form. Yeah, it is cute.
Oh, I like the color of these.
Mm-hmm. Also to be noted here, they do have the 2026 calendars already out. This is a 16-month calendar, and the price on it is $16.99. Not bad at all. Well, I think it's time to catch a tram. We didn't have a lot of time today because we still do have a normal job, but we're gonna catch the tram and then...
Normal? What's normal?
What's a normal? Normal 9 to 5, even though we don't work 9 to 5. We work late. But that is going to do it for us today from Disney's Hollywood Studios. And getting the McDonald's Boo Bucket, it's something that we do every year. We plan on continuing to do so. We have a collection going now. We've been doing it for the last 4 years of our channel. And it's been a lot of fun, and it was good having my wife with me in the last 2 videos. So guys, give it a thumbs up for Angie on the video and leave her a comment letting her know how much you love her, because I love her a lot. But anyway, we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. We will see you in the parks.